This is channel English for Turkmens, and today we are in Tbilisi, Georgia. So let's ask people, do they know English and how they learn it? Let's go. When did you start learning English?
I started learning English when I was 7 or 6 years old. It's high school. It was English lessons, and now I'm studying at Tbilisi State University English classes.
Okay, so what kind of difficulties did you meet while you were learning English?
It's a language barrier, so it's accent. For example, I'm Georgian, and my accent is not British or American accent.
So what would you advise to our students who are just starting learning English?
English is very good. Just start learning English.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye.